Long traders are being flushed out at double the normal rate. But the market is coiling, not collapsing. The Bitcoin price is trading around $62,000. Both the 20-day and 200-day moving averages are falling. Price is sitting deep below both. The trend is structurally bearish. I'm Aiden, and this is your daily market update with Diamond Pigs. The dominant story today is a long squeeze playing out inside a compression range. Long liquidations hit over $43 million yesterday, more than double the 7-day average. At the same time, the 4-hour MACD just accelerated bearish this candle, and a fresh bearish moving average cross formed only 16 hours ago. Price is coiling between roughly $61,000 and $64,000. Volatility is contracting. The market is under pressure. Adding to the bearish case, Stablecoin market cap has contracted over 2% in the past 30 days. Fresh capital is not flowing into crypto. The Diamond Pigs BTC Bot is currently leaning bearish. A strong downtrend and long squeeze still in progress keeps the short thesis intact. If you want to track these signals yourself, our free crypto sentiment dashboard brings together on-chain data and market sentiment. I'm Aiden from Diamond Pigs. See you in the next market update.